How to viral a short. Why some shorts get millions of views while others struggle. Even if they manage to get some views in the beginning, YouTube flatline their views after some time. In this video we will go through 6 steps that will viral your shorts in no time. Step 1. Viral ideas. To create a viral short you must have a viral idea. If you have a bad idea you can't make it go viral. For this, find trend in your niche, or better, implement a trend into your niche. Of course, taking an old topic and adding your spice may work as well. You can use Google Trends to find ideas, or you can also use vidIQ. I personally use vidIQ to find viral ideas. vidIQ will help you to find viral ideas for your topic, and it will also analyze which type of shorts are performing well in your niche. Step 2. 3-second rule. To viral a short, your viewed versus swiped away ratio must be good, and for a high view percentage you need to have a great hook. So I scrolled for hours in the shorts feed and got some common patterns used by every creator in their hooks. First, I noticed that every creator of these viral shorts covered the first line of the script in first 3 seconds. For example, this short.
Can you slice a bullet with a katana?
Or this.
This is the most unique e-reader that you've ever seen.
As you can see, not any of them took more than 3 seconds to speak the first line of the script. And it completely makes sense because the first 3 seconds of your shorts play the same role as the thumbnail and title do for your long-form videos. So if the first line of your script takes more than 3 seconds, make sure to change it. If you want a free guide on how to monetize your channel before 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, then click the link in the description. Now, if you manage to hook the viewer for first 3 seconds, still it will not be enough for viewer to stay on your video, which leads us to step 3. Emotional hooks. If you want your viewers to stay on your video, you can use some lines regardless of your niche. For example, if you don't want ABC, then skip this video. This will create FOMO in viewers' mind. Example. If you don't Amazon Prime for free, then skip this video. Another hook is, I am sure you don't know about ABC. Then change this ABC with your video topic. Example. I am sure you don't know the new news about GTA 6. This will make the mind of the viewers curious of something they don't know, and the viewer will get hooked. You can also create an urgency in viewers' mind by saying, you need to know this before it's too late. There are many emotions like fear, motivation, happiness, sadness, which you can use in the starting of your video to hook the viewer. Step 4. Captions. We have 2 shorts on the screen. Watch them, and then decide which one of them will you watch for longer time. No doubt 90% viewers will watch the short on the left side, but why? The answer is that reading requires more focus than listening. Another way to engage the viewer is step 5, and that is playing with emotions. So I want you to think about some movie you watched recently, and ask yourself whether your emotions were same throughout the movie or not. If sure, your answer will be no. If the movie starts with some happy emotions, then after some time, due to some change in story, you become sad. Emotions goes upwards and then downwards, sometimes positive and sometimes negative. This is done to play with your emotions and engage you, because if your emotions remains the same throughout the movie, then you will be bored. The reason I am telling you this is because this strategy is used by most of the short creators to engage their audience. So try to think that you can apply the same strategy in your shorts. If yes, then it will skyrocket your audience retention. Step 6. Custom thumbnails. So when we think about shorts, most of time we only think about shorts feed where thumbnail don't matter, but there are also other traffic sources such as search and browse. In these traffic sources, your shorts also have to compete with long-form videos to get viewers' attention. By using this step, you can create your custom thumbnail in few clicks. First, select the 9:16 ratio in your editing software. This software can be CapCut, InShot, or any software. Then design your thumbnail. Then go to YouTube Studio, select your thumbnail, and congrats, you have a custom thumbnail for your short. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.